Welcome to Learn English for Life.
What brought you here, Ellen?
I'm so sorry.
How long have you been coughing?
It's been 3 months already.
So it got worse recently.
Yes, doctor.
Do you notice some phlegm?
No,
Is the cough there all the time? Or it's on and off?
it's been here all the time.
Is there anything that makes your cough worse? Like positional changes, seasonal changes, after eating?
Positional changes like lying down makes me cough even worse.
Is there anything that makes your cough better? Have you taken any medication?
I took some cough medication.
So do you have any other symptoms besides a cough? Any fever? Chills? Night sweats?
I have had on and off fever.
Have you noticed any changes in your weight? Any changes in your appetite? Any changes in your bowel habits?
I have lost weight, though my appetite seemed normal and my bowel habits are regular.
Have you experienced shortness of breath? Have you felt any chest pain?
Yes, there were times when felt like I was catching my breath, and I also experienced chest pain sometimes.
Have you ever had wheezing? Headaches? Runny nose? Sore throat? Postnasal drip?
Yes, I have had postnasal drip.
Have you ever had asthma? Gastric acid problems? Allergic rhinitis? Drug allergies? Any heart problems?
No, I have not had any of those.
Do you have any other problems in your lungs? Stomach? Liver? Kidneys?
No, doctor.
Have you ever had any surgeries?
I never had one in my life.
Is there anybody in your family being sick now? What about at work?
Actually, I work at the day care center and the kids are always sick.
Do they have the same cough as you do? A cough without phlegm?
Some kids cough with phlegm, but some also have none.
Is there anybody who has had tuberculosis around you?
No, doctor.
Is there anybody in your family having other disease such as diabetes? Heart problems? High blood pressure?
My father has high blood pressure.
Now I would like to ask some personal questions which can be helpful for me to figure this out better. Is it okay with you?
No problem, doctor.
So how long have you worked in the daycare center?
About a year, doctor.
Do you drink? Do you smoke? Do you use any illegal drugs?
I drink occasionally, but I have not tried smoking and using illegal drugs.
Now, I would like to ask you about your sexual life. I know this is very private, but sometimes this can give us a big hint. Will you not mind?
Not at all. I am open for those questions as long as it can help figure out my problem.
Okay, are you sexually active? If so, how many partners do you have? Do you use protections?
No, doctor, I'm not sexually active.
Where are you originally from?
I'm from the Philippines.
Have you recently traveled? When is the last time you traveled outside of Los Angeles?
I went home to the Philippines 3 to 4 months ago.
Do you have any pets at home? Were you exposed to any animals or birds recently?
No,
Have you ever had PPD test? Like an injection on your arm and measure the round in duration 2 days later.
not yet, doctor.
Okay, thank you for answering my questions, Miss Ellen. Even though there are some more possible sources of your coughs, like asthma or pneumonia, I'm still not sure exactly what it is. So I will run some tests such as blood works and chest x-rays. I think I can talk to you better about the diagnosis and the proper treatment when I get the result of those tests. In the meantime, I will give you medication to ease your cough. Do you have any questions?
I work at a day care center. Is this the reason why I have a cough?
It might.
Do I need antibiotics to get better?
Maybe. It depends on what you really have though. If it is pneumonia, they help. But for others, they do not.
Okay, doctor. Thank you so much for your time.
Welcome. See you soon.
Hey, George, actually it's funny that you mentioned relationships 'cause I'm actually having a problem with Joe.
Is that the guy with the curly hair?
Yeah, that guy. He's really nice and everything, but like I really don't think it's working out.
Why, what's wrong?
Well, he's really narrow-minded and I'm really different. He's nice and everything. He's kind and sweet, and it's just not for me, like we're totally different people.
I see. So what are you going to do?
I think I have to rip the Band-Aid, and I think I'm just gonna send him an email or something.
Email. But you have been dating for a while now, and you like him, right?
Yeah, we are like so sweet together, but it's just, I don't see a future.
But is not an email just a little too cold, and he might tell other people about it, and rumors spreading and what not?
Okay, then, what do you think I should do? How should I do it?
You should probably just meet him face to face?
Face to face. Okay. Where should I meet him? Like, do you think I should just invite him over to my place?
You should probably do it in public, where you know.
Ooh, good, 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 good. That's better.
Maybe that cafe.
Ah, that cafe. Yeah,
While I am having my date, you can be breaking up with your boyfriend. It will be great.
you're so mean.
I am sorry. That was uncalled for.
I don't know what to say. What do you think would hurt him less?
I gotta say honesty would be the best policy.
Honesty. Okay, so this is what I'm going to say. Joe, you're great, but we're not meant to be. How's that?
Yeah, it's great. It's great.
Okay, okay, I'm done. I think I shall meet him at the cafe, and okay, things will work from then. I shall improvise.
Hey, Crystal, I need some advice you.
What's up, George?
So, there's this like red-headed girl in class, and I kind of got a crush on her,
Oh,
but yeah, I don't know, how to ask her out. I don't even know if she knows my name, but yeah.
come on.
You got any advice?
I would personally just be natural and just go straight forward
Go straight forward
and ask her out?
how I do that?
I don't know. For my personal advice, I think you should just go straight forward and say, "Hi, my name is George," and give her an appearance.
Hold on. I am gonna write this down.
Okay. And next step is if you are free, you always have to check if she's either married or if she is single.
Okay.
So, number 2 is what you're looking for.
Okay, number 2.
So, if she is single, just say, "Hey, how about we go out for a cup of coffee or something?"
Okay, coffee.
And, yeah, that's how you get her.
So yeah, what if she doesn't like coffee though? I mean, what else could we do on a date? Assuming she will say yes. What's fun to do on a date anyway?
Fun to do on a date. It's just the fact that you're being with her and just try to get to know her more.
Wait, wait 1 second. Do I need to pay for this?
I don't think you should pay on the first date. I think sometimes that can be offensive to women.
Oh, that's great because I am totally broke.
I think you should just ask her casually, not like a date. Just say, "Hey, I would like to know you a little bit more," and just go out for a small little drink, like go to that new cafe that's open. Like a lot of girls think that place is so cute. I think you should take her there.
But I think cafes are boring.
Cafes are boring. Men. Women don't think so. This is the point. Write it down.